Act to scene 1 is in Belmont. Belmont is solely an imaginary place. All the other places mentioned in Barcelona is real place, means now also Venice. Now also it is there, Rome, Padua, Genoa, like there are so many places mentioned there. But Belmont is only an imaginary place, and we have to understand that is far away from Venice, and it was difficult for Bassanio to reach there, and he has to spend a lot of money for his marriage purpose. That was why he needed money, like that earlier we have seen. 3,000 ducats he needed because he wants to go to Belmont. But anyway, here in Belmont, the situation mentioned in the scene is marriage of Portia is already declared, means the proposal invited, and a large number of suitors are coming, and five or six suitors already we have seen in the earlier Act 1, scene 3. There we have observed many suitors, and sorry, Act 2, scene 2. Many suitors we have seen, and some suitors we have confusion also because their performance says that the person may be mentioned there repeatedly. Whatever it is, large number of reputed suitors were ready to marry Portia. One of such a suitor is Prince of Morocco. He is from Africa. He was a Negro prince. So naturally, the discrimination prevails in Europe. Europeans mostly fair, and Africans black complex. So both having their own stand in the opinion of color. Europeans mostly believe that the people in Europe are considered as highly reputed, cultured people, and African Negroes are uncultured and animal-like character, they believe. But Africans believe that their color is the original natural color. They have got the blessings of God. Sun God was the major god they believed in. So the gods, sun god, givers, the help and support and blessing is their color, and they have to maintain their color, and their color is, their complexion is their special grace, like that they believe. But whatever it is, Morocco, with a lot of confidence, Prince of Morocco, really Morocco alone is the name of the place, and here Prince of Morocco is the very powerful ruler among the African rulers, because Africa we know that it is large area-wise, large in size, and thick forest, mostly thick forest. But this thick forest itself, different tribal groups, each tribal groups having kings and their rule, administration, different way of life, all were there. One of such a tribe was guided by the prince's father, and he is the next upcoming king. So he had a lot of confidence that I am the prince and going to be the next ruler, and I am very brave and powerful, like that confidence he had. With that confidence, he reached there. First meeting itself, Morocco says that you should not misunderstand and misinterpret my color. My complexion is the grace of God, and they believe in sun god. Their sun god, Greek sun god named as Helios, and I am blessed by God. That time, the geographic discoveries and inventions were not that much popular, and some people believed that the earth is flat. That time itself, and they didn't know about the equator, North Pole, South Pole, like that matter, they didn't know. But one thing they knew that those who are at the center of the means nearby equator, they got maximum sunlight, and with the help of that sunlight, strong sunlight, they got this dark complexion. That they know. All the scientific side of this color and sunlight they didn't know about. By their life experience, they understood that those who are living near to equator are black in color. We are also. Indians are also almost close to equator, not very close. Compared to a major part of Africa, we are aware. That was why our color is not equal to Africans. But at the same time, our color is not equal to European fair people because they are far away from equator. Means northern region, near to North Pole, the major part of Europe lies. That was why they color. Anyway, this many details but one thing they know that those who are living in northern region having fair complexion and close to equator having the dark complexion, and those who are near to the equator are getting more sunlight. This color is the only problem that we may be affected, negatively affected. Another matter, growth of plants and animals, and free from various diseases. Who people those who are now the living being, those who are nearby equator, mostly free from, comparatively free from various diseases, and their health condition is stronger than other regional animals and as well as human beings. And plants and vegetables, their growth, their greenery, their abundance is all good in nearby equator. That is why African forests are thick forest, European forest only seasonal forest. Means during winter there may not be any forest. Right? No leaf may not be there, only the stump may be there. No leaf. But Africa, the whole year, thick greenery is there. This all are the difference there. That Morocco knows. So Morocco says that he should not be misinterpreted. His dark complexion should be considered as God's grace. And the northern regional people means Europeans. Europeans are having fair complexion. They may be proud of their fair complexion, and I am proud of my dark complexion. Then another word, this complexion should not be considered for the matter to marriage. Then it says that if my color is the only problem, only obstacle in the matter related to marriage, that also I am ready to change. Generally, he is proud of his color. He is very, he himself respects that he is in a dark complexion. To marry Portia is more important matter, so he is ready to change it. And Portia replies that I am not able to take any decision because my father has already made a caste system and I have to follow it. As I am following this, I am not able to consider a person as according to my like or dislike. Means if Portia thinks that Morocco is not good for her to marry, she is not able to say that because according to the lottery system of basket system, if you choose the right basket, he will be the husband of Portia. She cannot say no because if she say no, that will be a disobedience before her father. That should not happen. Then second is if she left to make no, she cannot say because if he chooses to go back. So her likes and dislikes having no importance there. So Portia said, you are one of the suitors here. I consider equally well. Means all the other suitors and you are equal. If you chose the right casket, you will be my husband. If you chose the wrong casket, you have to go back. And you are considered as equal. So Morocco is very happy because Morocco is not discriminated by considering his color. So he is very confident and he says that he is having, earlier itself he told that he has more red color in his blood and the red color of the blood of other suitors. Why it is like that? We know that mostly love affair, marriage related matters. We may use decorations, balloons like that we may use. There, which color is mostly preferred? Red color is preferred. Means love symbolizes red in color. Red color and love, that both interrelated. The same actually here, Morocco says that his blood having more red content means he has more love towards Portia than other suitors. He is ready to check the blood color, and really it is. Morocco's blood having more red color than the red content of other suitors. How it is? Really speaking, whether Negro or a fair European, whoever it is, blood color is same. If we consider on the basis of blood content is almost equal, color also almost equal. Otherwise, the person may have some disease or something like that. Common people may have a same red color, but his red color may have more red content if he. Oh. Another example I will tell you. After brushing, we may try to look at the mirror and we feel that my teeth color is not enough white. Have you ever like that? Little more white color should be there. Have you ever felt? You never felt like that. I felt better. That my teeth color should have little more red color. Sorry, white color. We may think about. Have you ever thought about it? Then I will give you a shortcut for it. Are you ready to do it? First you brush the teeth properly. After that, then for the girls you might have used eyebrows. Is it? Are you using for coloring your then eyebrow color have you using? That you take it and paste it. Paste your face properly. Complete black. After that, you open your mouth and look at the mirror. You also will be surprised how white color it is. really your teeth color increased or not? Teeth color is not increased. What happened? Surroundings made dark. That surrounding makes the teeth color brighter than earlier. Like that, we feel really no increase or decrease of brightness. The same happened with the Morocco's blood. When Morocco takes a drop of blood, if it is on his palm or hand, wherever, what is the surface? Dark. On dark surface, blood color, dark red. Is it? Means more red color. If a fair person, the same way, take a drop of blood, surrounding is fair, white surrounding, red color will be less. Then Morocco's argument is right. But really speaking, his blood having no more red color. It is only surroundings made. But people, that time, people may not think about. Even you didn't think about like that. Is it? Now only you also think about. So earlier, 500 years back, they didn't think about. They only see the as is correct only. This blood is having more red color and others having less red color means Morocco's love to us, Porsche is more considerable than others. So he says that. Then he says that is one quality. Second is dark color is the dark color is his grace, God's grace. He has got all. Third, he says that he is brave. Then to prove his bravery, he says that all the rulers in the Central Asia and other part of Asia, Europe, all the rulers are afraid of his name. And name also he mentioned there, Sofi, Persian prince, and Sultan Suleiman. These were very popular rulers in Central Asia and some part of Africa. They were major rulers. Then these rulers were afraid of the name of Morocco, means he is greater than other rulers. Then he says that if it is not believable, now Porsche may not have that much time to check it whether it is right or wrong. If Porsche already knows, okay, otherwise it will take a lot of time whether it is correct or wrong. Another thing he says, to make it clear his bravery, he is ready to go to a bear, she bear, having children, that is young ones with the she bear, female bear, and that time this wild animal may show maximum wildness. There is no need to consider the bear that is strange for us. We only listen. But cat you might have seen. Have you seen cat? Have you seen dogs with the young ones? That time they may be highly aggressive. They may not allow us to come close to. Not only human being, other animals and creatures. Nobody will be allowed to come close to the female animal and the young ones. To protect that young ones, they may become very aggressive. Bear is more aggressive. Otherwise also, a bear is very wild in nature, and with the young ones it will be more. But Morocco says that I am ready to go to such a bear and snatch the young ones from there, and the bear will not do anything because bear will be afraid of me. That is my bravery. Like that he told. Another one is told, he is ready to a hungry land, and before the hungry land, he is ready to dance. And before he is going to dance, then what may happen? Normal case, only one jump, everything will be over. Is it? But Morocco says that before me, the land will be highly obedient and stay there as it is, and I will come back. I will show my bravery, and this bravery is liked by a large number of young girls in Africa. But he is not interested to marry any of them. He is interested to marry only Portia. That is why he come to marry her, and he describes his qualities, his nature, what is his aim, each and everything he says, and God blessed man, and his name is the reputed name among the other rulers, each and every matter he told. Then he is having a doubt, fear and a doubt about his luck, whether he is a lucky person or not. He is brave, he is very confident. And he is a God blessed man, he is confident. He is ready to prove his bravery. No matter he is he is very confident about it, but his luck he is not confident. So he says that only one doubt he is in his life, that is none other than his luck. So that's all we discussed today. Next day we may continue, and hope that understood it. And once more you read it and come. Like that revision we may do. Each line we may not have that much time to read because for the exam it may not be possible. And poetry book also you have to bring according to the situation we may do it. If more number of students are coming here, then revision part we may drop it for a while, and the new part of the lesson we may continue. Okay, these are the matters.